We made it. It's only like 2 o'clock in the morning, but we made it to the Sandy Beach Resort in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Right, babe?
Absolutely.
We are staying at room 615, Oceanfront Suite. We're gonna go check it out right now for you guys. Right here. Do this key thing. It'll push hard as heavy. Here is the room. You are greeted by 2 queen beds. Beautiful pictures on the walls and your light switches. Pan around a little bit. And you got a pretty nice sized TV. You have a lovely dresser for your clothes. Fantastic looking mirror. And then over here we'll go and you have a closet, dustpan, broom for all that ocean sand you will bring in your room. Extra blanket, ironing board, pretty cool. And here you have the kitchen. You have a beautifully nice size freezer and fridge. Plenty of space for all of your grocery needs. They provide a decent sized coffee pot. Procter is a good company. Some glass bowls up there. Anything up here? Oops. Nope, nothing up here. Shut these. You have glass dishes up here. Plates and bowls, glasses and coffee mugs. Nothing up here, but we can use that for like cereal or something. They provide you with a microwave, which is nice to warm up things. You do have a very nice electric stove. Plenty of room for cooking. See what's in here. Awesome. They do give you cookware, some pots, some pans, and a big spaghetti. Cutting board, you can see down there. Cooking utensils and a big huge sharp butcher knife. Under the sink is just storage space, and in this cabinet they have a toaster and a strainer. And here's all your silverware. The sink. Really nice, decent water pressure. I love the cute little towels and this soap they provide. We're going to move on to the living room space. Beautiful wall decoration picture. You have this closet right here for your extra things and necessities. We'll shut that door back, hand back around, and you can see they have another small dresser with a great sized TV, glass coffee table, a sofa, end tables and lamps. Babe, help me out here. We have this cool bed. This is our bed. And oh. Here is our bed that we will be sleeping on. Comes right out of the wall, which is interesting. But it is right in front of this lovely balcony that is amazing. Because when you open up the balcony, you are greeted with the lovely view of the Atlantic Ocean it is fantastic. And the balcony is actually really nice and decent sized. You even have a table and chairs. What do you think, babe?
I like it. Nice room for me.
We'll look at the room one last time during the nighttime and kind of check out more in the daytime. But yeah, I love this place. Lastly, we are going to take a look at the bathroom they provide. We're going to go here through this door. You can see a toilet. Like every other hotel has toilet. And we have mirror. Hello. Hi. Not sunburned yet because it's nighttime, but I will be. I love the towels and the soaps they display on the bathroom sink. It is very decorative and beautiful. The towel, and we have this amazing jetted tub and shower combination. So when we're relaxing and we don't want to go nowhere, we have boosted moodiness and really nice water pressure, which is essential for a good vacation. We do check the mattresses for any critters because I would hate to find them and while I'm sleeping. I'd rather know beforehand. But the hotels are nice and clean with sheets. And I think this is a 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for checking out the room for the first time with us. We'll look at it a little bit more in the morning time. And until then, which will be like in 2 seconds for you guys.
A few moments later.
We showed you the room when we first got in late last night. But now let's look at the room in the daytime real fast. Let's get to it. You're eating ice cream? All my ice cream. Give it back. First, I would like to say that we did end up changing rooms from 6:15 to 9:15. And this room is a whole lot nicer than the previous room. And we're going to start this daylight tour in the living room with a nicer looking couch. Some decorations on the end table. A picture of the pier. A coffee table with a really pretty decoration. And then we have the bed, the wall bed we have kept down since we've been here. Nice decoration on the wall. A very nice dining room table and a picture. And we have a dresser and a TV right here. Moving on, we have a closet that is full of our things. And I'll show you, it's a really nice closet. But they give you so much extra space to put stuff of your belongings. Moving into the kitchen, they give you a lovely little kitchen. And it has a bunch of pots and pans you can use for cooking. And they actually do not stick. So that's nice. They got like 2 skillets and a couple pots. And a bigger one. The only thing I don't like is this kind of sticks up against the wall. And they have a cooking tray in there that obviously we've already used. On up into the microwave. For those who use microwaves, it's a nice size microwave. We're currently using it for storage. In the cabinets, we're also got like 1,000 things of food. And they give you a coffee pot for all your coffee desires. Coffee mugs, glasses, and this cabinet. And they also give you a lot of dishware. Like there's like 3 separate styles of plates and bowls, which is pretty cool. You have a toaster, and there's all more of our food. In this cabinet, oh, I'm gonna make that 4 styles of plates and bowls. That's pretty cool. Up there is more food and storage Behind the refrigerator, we have a very nice size freezer. We currently have frozen treats, and guess what? More food. Inside the fridge, ample space to store all your grocery needs. And of course you have your sink, cooking utensils, more cabinet space under the sink. Here you have your silverware. I'll give you a better look real fast. This knives, forks, and spoons. And another cabinet. Moving on, we're gonna go into the bedroom next, and it has 2 queen beds, a nightstand dresser, lamps, and a picture, and then you have a wall air conditioner. You're gonna have another TV, a bigger dresser for storing clothes. And we have all of our things in here, so don't mind that. And then we have another closet with an ironing board, a mop, and a broom and dustpan. Pretty nice. Next to the kitchen is the bathroom, and I'm not quite so much of a fan of it being side by side with the kitchen, but it is what it is. We have a toilet, and we have our bathroom sink with our necessities on top, a lovely sized mirror, the cabinet space underneath, and we have a really nice jetted tub and shower combination. So much fun to be in a jetted tub when it's working. Last but not least, I'll show you the best part, the best part for us, and that is the balcony. We are going to show you that right now, so let's go. Well, look at this balcony. The ocean right outside your window. You can relax and chill on the balcony and drink your morning coffee, watch sunrises and sunsets. It's like the most amazing thing in the entire world. Here is our balcony, and it's got plenty of space for all of us to stand here, sit here, and look out at the beautiful ocean. We have all of our swim and beach stuff just sprawled everywhere. But we have been enjoying this room since we've been here, and it is lovely. I love watching all the planes, the parasailers, few jet skis, and just everyone's having so much fun. And if you look down, you can see they have one pool, one hot tub, and a pool right down by the ocean. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video and hotel room tour of Sandy Beach Oceanfront Resort. And until next time, guys.